Okay, this trick is called the 8 done by Miss Matt 822. This is really cool. Okay, I got an elf card here. I'm gonna take out a prediction. Oh, this could be my prediction. Okay, and I want you to say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Right there. Oh, for this over, I want you to choose either a pile.
This one.
Okay, I'm gonna flip this card over. It is 8, so let's add out 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my prediction? Wait, let me flip it. 8 of hearts.
What?
8 of clubs and 8 of spades. Hope you can enjoy it. The tutorial will come up soon. I will sell this trick. That is it. I'll see you next time.